All right, guys, this is the Efurden Handheld Pool Vacuum. This thing is super easy to use, also super easy to charge. So all you do, plug that into the wall, and then you plug that in there, and you can see with that red light, it's charging up. But thankfully, we already have enough of a charge to try this out. So we're just gonna plug that back in. Let's get outside. So you can use it on a pool or a spa or hot tub. I'm gonna use it on the hot tub today, but we have the telescoping handle and this is how long it can get. So you can definitely use this on a pool if you need to, and it's got a nice handle here at the end. But since we're just using it in the spa, we're just gonna do it here. And all you do to turn it on is you just flip that switch and we're on. And basically, this will run up to 60 minutes underwater, and it'll just allows you, I have a pretty clean hot tub, but it just allows you to get things and debris that are kind of in it. And what I think this does really, we'll turn it off. And what I think this does really is it allows you there you go. It allows you to get more things from your spa rather than like cleaning it out. So instead of having to like drain it, you can actually just clean stuff out every now and then, keep the water clear. And dude, straight up, easy to use. Get it.